हे गाइस, आज मैं रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ एक बहुत ही बढ़िया वॉच की और आ गई है हमारे पास ये ओ गाइस दिस वॉच इज हियर। बच गई गिरते गिरते। दिस वॉच इज हियर राइट नाउ विथ मी। दिस इज ऑनर मैजिक वॉच 2। तो आज इसको ही रिव्यू करते हैं और देखते हैं कि ये वॉच कैसी है, क्या आपको लेनी चाहिए कि नहीं लेनी चाहिए, क्या क्या फीचर्स इसके मिलते हैं। और इसका जो रिव्यू है ना वो 30 डे रिव्यू करके 30 डेज के बाद मैं उसको डालूंगा रिव्यू करके अच्छे से इस घड़ी के बारे में कि आपको इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए कि नहीं। सो गाइस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। So guys, this is Varun and I welcome you all in the 127th episode of Tuesday Talk. सो गाइस, आ गई है हमारे पास ये ऑनर मैजिक वॉच 2 और देखते हैं कि ये कैसी वॉच है। दिस इज़ द बैक साइड ऑफ दिस वॉच एंड दिस इज़ द फ्रंट ऑफ दिस वॉच। ऐसी कुछ दिखती है, तो चलिए इसको अनबॉक्स कर देख लेते हैं। एंड दिस विल गो डाउन। सो गाइस, दिस इज़ द ऑनर वॉच। इट लुक्स अपीलिंग। इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल वॉच। तो सबसे पहले आपको ये बॉक्स का ये रिमूव करना है। सो यहाँ से वी गेट दिस वॉच। ये वॉच को अपन बाद में देखते हैं। बॉक्स के अंदर के जो कंटेंट्स हैं उसको देख लेते हैं कि वहाँ क्या क्या मिलता है आपको। सो यू गेट दिस चार्जिंग क्रेडल जिससे आप चार्ज कर सकते हैं अपनी वॉच को। यू गेट दिस टाइप सी केबल विद दिस वॉच। देन यू गेट अ वारंटी कार्ड एंड सम डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बाय ऑनर। सो नाउ लेट्स टेक दिस वॉच आउट एंड लेट्स सी हाउ डज इट लुक. So guys, this is the Honor watch. It looks appealing and it's seriously amazing. Oh my god, it's a super light watch and the weight of the watch is I guess 50-55 grams and it's super light. You just don't feel that this size is there. I hope there is some battery. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. There is a slight vibration. You need to select the language for this watch, which is English. As you guys can see, I have started the download for Huawei Health app, and this says ki like you have to download Huawei Health on the phone and then you guys can continue. For this I need to go to devices. I need to add a device. Go to this Smartwatch option. Yeah, here I have Honor Magic 2 series. So here I have got the Honor Magic watch and done. The pairing is done. Wow, this is the amazing looking app. So guys, here is the watch that comes up with some amazing features. As you guys can see, first of all I'll just tell you the whatever the watch faces we are getting over here. So when I long press this thing, I'm getting a few watch faces, which is this again, like this is expedition gallery, airstream, spotlight. There are tons of watch faces you guys can select from, and you guys have all the option to just tap it and that watch face will be applied on the watch. So it's a very beautiful looking watch. The weight of the watch is just 55 grams, which makes it even more lighter and beautiful. Over here on this watch, when I take it down, this is the notification panel of the watch where I get settings and everything. If I go to settings directly, I get tons of settings. So the first setting is earbuds, then there's display, then there's sound, strength, D&D, workout timing, down button. Specifically you guys can denote the down button to any particular thing. You have that option also, and there are system settings. So first of all, let's see the menu of this watch. When I go to this, there is some menu. Like the first thing that comes up with is the workout. Then there is the workout records. Then after that we get the workout status, heart rate, SpO2, activity records. Then we have sleep, we have breathing, exercises. You guys can do yoga also while these breathing exercises. There's call logs, contacts, music. So if I go to music, I need to add a music with the Huawei Health app. So with that app I can add music over here. Via this I can go back, left to right swipe. There is a notification panel. I just need to connect the phone and I'll get the notification. There's weather, there's stopwatch, timer, flashlight, and the settings. So in settings, as I've told you, you can connect your earbuds also directly with this watch and you can play along. There is 4 GB of storage, in which you get 2 GB dedicated storage for your music. So for music you are having 2 GB dedicated storage in this, which makes it even more beautiful. As you guys can see, I have connected my phone with the app and there are tons and tons of features you guys can get. This is the health monitoring. I need to enable it. Over here you get music, so I can add music and control music. So I just go to manage music section and over here I can add music. So I can add via, I'll just check from the device, music from the device, and there are tons of music. So I'll just select one of these and I'll transfer it to the particular device. Over here it is getting transferred and it will be transferred. Like, this is a slow process, so it will get transferred slowly accordingly. On this watch, when I go to music, the song is added over here. So now when I go to music, I'll find one song. I can just play that. From here I can just increase the volume, so the song is playing. And over here the song is added. This is the total sound. So the sound is very good, the music quality is very good. So yeah, the watch is playing from my the watch is playing song from my phone, and it's playing, like, the song is transferred over here and it's playing. I can do the shuffle play, I can repeat, I can play an order. I have all the features over here with this. I'll just pause it right now. Yeah. So this was the main thing I want to tell you. If we talk about the watch faces, there are tons of watch faces available on this and you guys can download more. So when I just go to the bottom, it just loads the more watch faces and I can just go there and check the new watch faces out. So the watch comes up with this raise to wake feature. The watch raises when you just turn your wrist, and when you just turn it, automatically raises. So it's a super quick feature of this, and also you guys can turn on the show time also, and also you guys can put on D&D via here only, and you can put on vibrate also. The watch will go to vibrate. And if I want to turn on that feature, I just need to go to the settings option. As I am on the settings option, and I'll go to the display, I'll take the standby watch face and I'll take this to, I'll select that. So yeah, this is the standby watch display and this will be on. It will be little bit dim, but it will be on and you guys will have this display over through the watch. You can find the link of the watch in the description below, so go and check that out. You have to download Huawei Health app, that's it, and you are done. No other app needed. Just give all the permissions and boom, you are good to go. सो गाइस, अभी तक आपने देखा कि इस वॉच में कितने वॉच फेसेस आपको मिल जाते हैं, क्या क्या फीचर्स आपके पास हैं और स्ट्रैप और सारी डिटेल्स आपको पता पड़ गई है. आई होप यू ऑल लाइक दिस वीडियो. रिव्यू ऑफ दिस वीडियो कमिंग अप सून एंड लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहां से जाके खरीद लो. डिस्काउंट भी चल रहे हैं, अभी लोगे तो अभी सेल भी चल रही है अमेजोन पे, फ्लिपकार्ट पे आगे भी चलेगी, तो आप विल गेट अ वेरी गुड डील. साथ में मैंने दूसरी वॉचेस के लिंक्स भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हैं जो इसके कॉम्पिटिशन में बहुत अच्छी हैं, तो वो भी जाकर देख सकते हैं. अगर आपको इस घड़ी की एक्सेसरीज भी चाहिए तो उसका भी लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आप वहां जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. और एक रिव्यू वीडियो आने वाला है 30 दिन के बाद, जो कि बहुत ही डिटेल्ड होगा, बहुत डिटेल रिव्यू होगा, तो स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. This is Varun, Lilani signing off.